Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. So here is my RTR with the Autolock kit, taking the bike to Bombay, and it is also, I recently upgraded the oil to Turbo Protect. So overall we're going to give you the feedback, like how the bike performs all the way up to Bombay and back. Is going to be a 300 kilometers odd ride. As you see, the bike is completely loaded. So far these panels and all are not making any noise. Bike performance also is really good. I've taken off the gloves because it is way too hot. We left an hour ago from home, from Pune. Took some tea over here, and for the first time even my wife is traveling up to Bombay. It's almost 2:30 now. Not 2:30, maybe 3:30. Temperatures are lowering, and what a beautiful expressway. The traffic is constantly moving, so it is looking good. हम निकल रहे थे और ये फॉर्च्यूनर आके सामने खड़ी हो गई. गाड़ी पीछे कैसे लूँ मैं? I hate it when people don't understand. बड़े लोग. Entering the expressway from here, I think it is a 5 kilometer stretch. Not here, here. And then I'll again enter the old highway. Whoops. So this particular patch you're allowed to go, and try to make sure that you are on the extreme left hand side and give ways to the cars and trucks and lorries जो भी जा रहे हैं right से उनको जगह देना. Don't try and act smart and don't go on the right, stay on the left. And we took the exit for Khopoli Old Way. नया ब्रिज वहाँ पे है. Fascinating. Oops. I'm going pretty slow today because one, my wife is afraid of speeds, so she won't allow me to go beyond 65, 70, max 80 if the road is really open. If I go beyond that, something happens to her legs and all start trembling and all, so I don't try to mess with that. Secondly, bike is loaded today. Invictus के दोनों भी बैग में, लेफ्ट एंड राइट में काफ़ी सामान भरे, काफ़ी कपड़े, चद्दर विद्दर सब भरे, बिकॉज नेक्स्ट वीकेंड वी आर गोइंग टू गुजरात and I have to take Honda Dio and drop it there. So today we are going in the bike and dropping some stuff. Actually this bike was supposed to go to Gujarat, but suddenly one friend offered that don't send your Apache to Gujarat, why don't you send my Dio to Gujarat, you can keep it there for as many days you want. So सब प्लान चेंज हो गया, मतलब इस बाइक को उधर छोड़ने का प्लान चेंज हो गया. एनीवेज आई विल बी गेटिंग दिस बैक आफ्टर 2 weeks टू पुणे. और अभी डियो सुशांत भाई के पास छोड़ी है. ही इज़ गोइंग टू फिक्स इट. I might add before and after photographs and some nice vlog if I can on it. So, and even the top box, my current top box that I have 40 liters ASG का जो बैठा है वो ऊपर ब्लू सिटी, जो ASG का टॉप बॉक्स पीछे है, that is also loaded with drill machine, tool kit for bike. उधर घर में गांव में काम करना है उसके लिए टूल किट, बाइक बांधने के लिए चेन एंड गॉड नोज व्हाट नॉट स्टफ. दे मस्ट बी एटलीस्ट 15-20 kgs in that right now. So the bike is right now loaded with at least 150 kgs apart from its own weight and all. So that's why एकदम आराम से प्यार से जा रहा हूँ. और चेन भी थोड़ी एक्स्ट्रा टाइट है, बिकॉज यूजुअली आई राइड सोलो, तो वो सिंगल सीट के हिसाब से उतना टाइट है, तो इसलिए पूरा प्यार से आराम से जा रहे हैं. देयर इज़ नो रश. Finally, after a lot of struggle with the heat, have entered Dombivli, this town of speed breakers. The engine is performing really well on the bike, by the way, and no signs of stress, no signs of heating, in spite of the temperatures being really high outside, and in spite of riding in traffic conditions like this after a 100-kilometer ride with pillion and with lot of luggage. Hey. That's my baby, and we are at Regency Anantam. Reached safe and fine, except for जो रास्ते में गरम वगैरह लगा, हीट हुआ. That's it. Otherwise we were quite relaxed, quite happy that we reached on time and safely here at Dombivli. ये saddle stays are custom made, and they are, I won't say where they are from, but yes, they are custom made. So please don't ask me कहाँ से बनवाए. बाकी ये किट का फीडबैक देना था. किट का किधर भी कुछ भी वाइब्रेशन नहीं आया. नथिंग इज़ वाइब्रेटिंग और नथिंग फेल ऑफ. कोई नट बोल्ट, कोई स्क्रू भी, कुछ भी नहीं गिरा. किट काफ़ी अच्छे से आया. वाइब्रेशंस कुछ एक्स्ट्रा डेवलप नहीं हुए बिकॉज ऑफ द किट ऑन द टैंक और इन द बाइक एनीवेयर. एंड टर्बो प्रोटेक ऑयल जो डाला था इसमें बाइक में, तो वो भी काफ़ी अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस दिया. किधर बाइक ओवर हीट नहीं हुई इन स्पाइट ऑफ द टेम्परेचर्स आउटसाइड बीइंग वेरी हाई. तो वो कुछ इश्यूज़ नहीं आया. स्टॉलिंग इश्यूज़ नहीं आया, गियर शिफ्टिंग इश्यूज़ नहीं आया. इनफैक्ट गियर शिफ्टिंग इज़ ऑल्सो बिकम स्लिकर नाउ. सो अपार्ट फ्रॉम द इंजन NVH levels going down, it also became, the gear shifts also became smoother and apt. पहले ही इसके gear shifts कुछ hard नहीं है ज़्यादा, they are not that hard, but with this oil they were much more better. So if someone wants to try this oil out, I'll leave the coupon code in the video description. You can surely purchase directly from Turbo website, or you can purchase from Amazon also. With that said, I'll end the vlog here. Thanks for watching. See you in a new video very soon. By the way, the installation video of this kit will be coming out soon this week.